Nakaka-amaze. Grabe. Awit, Lord. Dito sa Sweden, guys, sobrang hirap makahanap ng apartment, unlike sa Pilipinas. When I started working here in Sweden, yan talaga ang pinaka-priority ko na ginawa ko. Nag-apply ako sa agency, kumbaga, na pwede kang maghanap ng apartment. Binibase nila yung chance mo if ilang points ka na. So, one day, 1 point yan. I have like almost 2,000 points na. And just last week, I had invitations to view the apartment. Since alam ko na yung mga apartment na yon, kung how it looks like, sige lang akong yes. And then just today, someone just called me that I got my apartment! Guys, sobrang hirap talaga makakuha ng apartment dito sa Sweden. Kahit sinong Swedish power, sinong tatanungin mo, it's the same as getting driver's license here in the Philippines. It's like getting a driver's license here in Sweden. Sobrang hirap talaga. As in. But then again, there is really a perfect time for everything. Grabe, Lord. I don't deserve this. How can I repay you? Lord, magpapakabait talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga. Dumating na talaga sa point sa buhay ko na parang bakit ang tagal. I'll be applying for a permanent residence na dito sa Sweden this July, and isa yan sa requirement na dapat meron kang sariling first-hand contract na apartment. And God is really so faithful, and He's really so good that He answered my prayers. Oh my God! Super! And sinabi ko yun sa amo ko, sobrang saya niya. Sabi niya, you know what I am proud of sa'yo, Janice? You're doing it all by yourself. And then she just don't know na I have God, you know, beside me, na grabe, dun talaga ako nagtatrust ng bongga na, Lord, if it's your will, then it's your will. Grabe, sobra. And so, sobrang happy ko kanina sa office, napansin nung isa sa mga assistant ng mga bosses. Tapos sabi niya, you look celebrating a while ago. Sabi ko, maingay ba ako? Sabi niya, hindi. It was nice to hear you, to hear you happy and smiling and laughing. Northern Offshore Services. Parang it's amazing daw, it's unusual kasi most sa mga kakilala niya daw nakakuha ng apartment after 6 years pa. So sobrang tagal talaga ng pila. Basta yun lang i-share ko, guys. Grabe talaga si Lord. And for those of you who are waiting for an answered prayer, it will come. He will make all things beautiful in His perfect time. So you just have to trust His will. Grabe, ma-amaze ka na lang talaga. Iso-surprise ka talaga ni Lord sa takdang panahon. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.